Does your car look like this? Does your wife remind you of a goblin? You're a brokey. You're a wagey. You're a peon. But that's besides the point. You're just generally lacking nice-looking things in your life because you're not a high-value man like me and my boys. But fear not. I have a solution. This. It's as nice as my 18 supercar, and even a beta can make one. To complete this Egyptian-type puzzle, you'll need to find rocks that fit tightly together while leaving a large hole in the center. The container is slightly smaller than the lid, so you need to transfer it to make sure it actually fits. This rock was very annoying to place, as I had to keep sanding it down so it would fit. Shake it to make sure the rocks fit tightly.
Skip it up and down.
That's right, it's time for rock and silicone. The silicone is the glue that's going to hold the rocks together. Use gravel to hide the silicone. It works way better than the usual method. When the silicone is cured, just and then glue up the other side to make it more stable. This is going to be the bottom, so you don't need to cover up the silicone.
What are you doing? What are you doing? No! No, what are you doing? What are you doing? Stop!
These are going to be the support rocks that prop up the main rock structure. I'm not going to weigh in on this next part. I think it speaks for itself. Wow, that was truly art in the form of editing. Now this part's a little boring, but I picked up a few editing tricks from TikTok that should hopefully make it more bearable. Now it's time to put the stone structure on.
No, 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 no. Wait.
Use sphagnum moss as a growing medium. I mean, unless you have a better idea, I'm just making this up as I go. Now plant some moss up top. The moss is growing on the bodies of their dead brethren. Use black construction paper to add a little bit of darkness to the terrarium. That worked well. Look how dark it is in there. If you liked that video enough to watch to the end, you're gonna hate New Mexico. But you're gonna like my other videos, so why don't you check those out and subscribe while you're at it.